Hello and welcome. This is the project of Daniel Bray of College of Cogswell. It is a bare bones game, and as I say before, we always have to keep it simple, stupid. Now, here you see the basic title screen saying mutant monsters and spaceships. A very simple title. You have the movement directions using the keyboard S, D, S, A, and you have the arrow keys right at the over here, and you are given two options: quit or start. Now let's start the game. Basically, you have the option of just discovering what's around you without any sort of danger and just see what you can do and how you can exploit the game. And you can either go for the shorter path or go and see what you can do over here. This is not too difficult to understand, and it's a pretty simple concept. Now, here is introducing you the player of what you can expect from this game here on out, warning you that this will get harder and you have to find different ways of avoiding your enemies. And here you see that these enemies really want you, but can't reach you through this point. So you have to either kill them right off the bat right here, or enter in the fray and risk getting beaten up. This is the second level, so I made sure that it wouldn't be too hard, but this is the preparation for the boss level. Keeping all this in mind, the boss level is pretty routine. All you have to do is kill everything in your way, and you pretty much have an understanding of what you have to do. It's not too hard. It can be difficult if you don't learn from the two first levels, but it's pretty straightforward. Now, here you can look at all the different types of art and things around the area. And as you see over here, this is a very high-paced and routine type of level. It's a tunnel type of level, so all you have to do is go forward and just fire at your heart's content. in order to pass the game and to do well. If you want to make it more difficult for yourself, you can let the enemies pile on and chase you and run into a dead end. Otherwise, you can be careful and just kill these spaceships pretty easily. This game demands that you take your time and just grind through these enemies in an adequate and careful manner to build this mindset of what you expect from the player. Now, as you see over here, you can explore and go all around where you want, or just end the game right here. And this is the true ending. And it brings you back to the game over here. You can appreciate the high score that you achieved, and this is how the game ends. Now, the important thing about game design is keeping it simple, building up upon what is simple with a good cornerstone, and then expand from there. You don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to make a AAA game. You just have to start with the basic elements of making your first game and learning the tools of the Unreal Engine. This is not a hard concept to grasp upon, but it is a very important feature rather than overwhelming yourself with the minutia of overwhelming yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.